Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe. Okay, we are back. Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Bukay dyan. Para makita tayo ng mga ating mga televiewers. Mga nag-aabang. Mga kababayan. Mga kababayan. Merry Christmas ulit. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Okay. So, we are in, you can see the Murti. It looks like Krishna. Yes, it's almost Krishna. Krishna look alike. But it's not Krishna. That is Udabji. Huh? Udabji. So who is Udab? Huh? Udab is the cousin of Krishna. Huh? That's why they have same physical appearance. So this is what happened. Because Krishna left Vrindavan, he left the gopis, he left his parents, Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maya, and he left the Gopas. So everyone was feeling separation from Krishna. And Krishna is also feeling separation from all the Brajabasis when he went to Dwarka. So, Udabji is like the personal assistant of Krishna, like a PA. Huh? But sometimes, Krishna, he consults on Udaba when it comes to state affairs, about managerial things. Huh? So, Udabji, he is the friend of Krishna, he is a cousin of Krishna, at the same time, he is the advisor of Krishna. So, Udabji, he is very close to Krishna. Every day, they see each other. Huh? And they eat together, they sit on the same chair together. So, he is so close to Krishna. He has all the mercy. Every day, he got all the blessings of Krishna. So, Udaba was thinking that he is the beneficiary, he got the most benefit from being associated with Krishna. And so, but Krishna ji wanted to teach Uddhav. Huh? He wanted to teach Uddhav about Braja Bhakti. Although Uddhava, he is so expert in Shastra. He is the most intelligent disciple of, who is the guru of Uddhav? Brihaspati Rishi. That is the spiritual master of the demigods. And Uddhava he is the one of the intelligent disciple. Uddhava knows all the Shastras. He is Gyan Yogi. He is Paka, perfect. He can recite every slok. That is how excellent Uddhava. But one thing is missing. Braja Bhakti. So Krishna wanted to elevate, to teach Uddhavji. Because he is already like almost on the top. But there is still one thing that is more important. The bhakti, the love of the Braja. Bhakta and bhaktins or devotees. So, Krishna wrote a letter to the gopis. And he asked Uddhava to deliver this letter. But Krishna told Uddhava, don't let the gopis read the letter. You should read the letter. So why? Later, we will understand. Okay. So, Uddhava was sent from Dwarka to Braj as a messenger of Krishna. So, and Krishna, before leaving, Krishna gave his Mahadoti to Uddhava. Now, Uddhava is also wearing yellow dhoti. And he rode the cart, the horse cart carrier, then he started his journey. So, after a few days, Uddhavji arrived here in Nandagaon, because this is where Krishna lives. So now, when Uddhavji arrived, the gopis saw him. Who is this? Krishna has arrived. He looks like Krishna. So because they saw blackies with yellow dhoti, oh, Krishna must return. He must return. So they were thinking like that. But Udaji wanted to visit first the parents of Krishna. So he asked the locals, where is Krishna's house? Where is Yasodamaya and Nanda Baba? You know what they said? You see this stream of water? You follow that and you will reach the house of Nanda Baba and Yasodamaya. So Uddhavji followed this stream of water. When he reached almost halfway, he asked, where is this water coming from? So he asked some locals. And one Brajabasi told Uddhava, this is not water. This came from the tears of Mother Yashoda and Nanda Baba. And Uddhava, he was shocked. Why? Because the moment Krishna left Braj, Yashoda, Maya, and Nanda Baba, they started crying. They cried day and night, looking for Krishna. Then Uddhava suddenly realized, if I go to Yashoda Maya's house, and when they see me looking like Krishna, it will increase their separation to Krishna, and they will cry more and more and more. So I better not go. I better not visit them. So Uddhava decided to stay away from the house. And Uddhava met the gopis and told them to meet him here. So they wanted to keep it secret because he doesn't want any Brajabasi to see him again. Because now he saw how they were feeling the separation, how they were like suffering from being separated to Krishna. So he called all the gopis, Radharani, Ritasak, Lalita, and Visakha, and all the gopis here. Then Uddhava, he has the letter and he started reading. So Uddhava told them, first, it is Krishna mentioned about that, how is my parents, how are the gopis, I am missing them so much. Then Krishna read everything, but Uddhavji read the letter, but on the halfway, the gopis started crying. Again, they felt the separation. It increases their separation. Then Uddhavji, why are you crying? So now Uddhavji, he was thinking, I will teach these gopis about Gyan Bhakti, about Gyan Yoga. So that is the mission of Uddhava. He wanted to teach the Brajabasis. So Uddhav said, don't worry. Krishna is not far away. He is not in Dwarka. Krishna is within you. He is omnipresent. He is within your heart. Then the gopis said, Are Bhaiya! That is true. Krishna is within our heart. But we don't have heart now. When Krishna left Braj, our heart also went away with him. So we don't have heart. So how can you say that Krishna is in our heart? Then again Uddhav wanted to repeat the topic. Don't worry. You just think of Krishna and meditate with him. Become Krishna conscious. Because in Bhagavad Gita, it's like this. So he mentioned some slok. What is that slok? About thinking of Krishna, just meditate on me and you become Krishna conscious. You become my devotee. You offer everything. You always meditate. Then the gopis again. The gopis, Are Bhaiya! Are Baba! We don't want to think of Krishna. Because every moment, every minute, every second, every millisecond, Krishna is in our mind. We want to get rid of him. Uddhava, he was stunned. How is it possible? So, you better give us a mantra. Give us some secret mantra where we can forget of Krishna. We don't want to think of him. Because we are suffering by thinking of him. Wherever we turn our head, we always reminded of Krishna. When we see a tamal tree, we think of Krishna. When we see the Yamuna Maya, Yamuna Ji, yes, we think of Krishna. When we see Govardhan Hill, we think of Krishna. When we see the beast, we think of Krishna. So we got what we want to get rid of Krishna. Then Uddhav suddenly realized that these gopis have attained the highest perfection of life. They wanted to get rid of Krishna because Krishna is always in their mind. And now they wanted to forget Krishna. Then Uddhavji realized that his devotion, that his knowledge, that his bhakti is nothing compared to the gopis. So this is the place where Uddhavji finally wanted to become the servant of the gopis. So initially he wanted to teach the gopis, but now he wanted to serve the gopis. He wanted to submit himself on the lotus feet of the gopis. Now he realized the elevated position of the gopis. How much Krishna conscious they were. It's more than being Krishna conscious. They already like exceeded the limit. Now they wanted to get rid of Krishna in their mind. So Uddhavji understand why Krishna doesn't want the gopis to read the letter. Because they won't finish the whole letter. The moment they started reading the first word or sentence, they will start crying and the ink from that letter would be erased. Then they won't finish the letter. So Uddhavji decided to stay in Braj. You know where is that place? It is somewhere near in Govardhan, where he meditated to become what? Huh?
Gopi.
What is the desire? No. What is the desire of Uddhav?
Grass.
So now Uddhavji, he became so humble that he wanted to just to become a grass or creeper in Braj. And you know what? He doesn't want to be the grass on the
pathway.
Footway or pathway. He wanted it to be on the other way. Why?
Where the gopis is in a mood of separation, they were stiff.
Yeah, they are like drunkards. They are like drunkards. They don't walk on the pathway. They walk outside the pathway, hitter and titter. So this is how Uddhav observed the gopis and Brajabasis. So he wanted the dust of that gopis. He wanted the dust of the Brajabasi. Because this is the bhakti. My knowledge, my devotion is nothing compared to the bhakti of the Brajabasis. So Krishna has given Uddhava a chance to be elevated to the Prema Bhakti, to the Braja Prem. So this is where Uddhava attained Braja Prem. Jai Uddhavji ki Jai, Radharani ki Jai, Nanda Kilala ki Jai. Okay? So the conversation between Uddhava and the gopis is on the Uddhav Gita. Uddhav Gita. I think, yeah, there is a book about it. It's a very nice conversation. It's like Uddhav will give some philosophical explanation, and the gopi will they will give practical experience. Huh? So they are not philosophical. The gopis, they are not philosophical. They just speaking from their heart, from the bhav, from their experience, from whatever they feel. So that it is a you should try to read that Uddhav Gita. And it happened here in Nandagaon. Okay, now it's getting dark. We have to move on. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad Baba. Jai ho, jai ho, jai ho. Jai ho, jai ho. Prasad. Radhe Radhe. Bolo.
Hare Krishna.
Radhe Radhe.
Ramdas Naga Baba. Hare Krishna.
Uddhav Baba.
Uddhav क्या लिखा बताओ?
Uddhav Baba ji. Naga Baba. Naga. Up. Prasad lo. Jai ho, jai ho.
Nandun yung palas niyan. Oh. Ibig sabihin, medyo malapit siya doon. Bumalik siya rito, pumunta siya rito para di na ano ni Mother Yasoda yung
Hindi na siya tumuloy. Hindi na siya tumuloy.
Hindi na siya tumuloy.
Haribol, Haribol, Haribol.
Camera बंद करो.
Haribol, 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 Haribol. Chak chak.
हाँ,
solid whiskey.
10,000 donation.
Yes.
हाँ देव